In this video, we will learn how to use the Trading Journal module. The Trading Journal will store and display all the trades that we have designed and created with the Advanced Calculator module. The journal will display a list of these trades, typically ordered by month and by year. For example, for November 2025, we have the following 3 trades stored. All the trades that are still open have a white background, and they include a message showing when they will be expiring. The closed trades are colored with a green background in case their net PL was positive, or with a red background in case the PL was negative. We can consult all the details of a trade by just clicking on Show Details. This will display all the parameters of the entry and the current state of the exit for the strategy. In the upper part of the journal, we can see the summary of the month for all the closed trades. But if we click on Show Summary, the journal will display all the summaries for every month and for the entire year too. With the filters, we can easily find strategies under certain criteria. For example, let us search for the winning trades for the month of July of this year. By clicking on the Result filter, we can pick winners. The journal will show us all the trades under these conditions. Apart from the possibility of updating a trade, like we saw in the Advanced Calculator module videos, we can perform other actions. If we have configured the multi-currency account and the exchange's API in our account settings, we can change the currency of the trade. To do so, we only need to click on the Change Currency button and the list of currencies will display. Once we change it, the journal will take care of the rest. As we can see, the journal will display the currency pair taken and it will show the result of the trade converted to the base currency of our account, updating the summary accordingly. If we wanted to reuse a strategy that we have already stored, or simply if we just want to take it as a base and then modify some parameters from there, we would simply click on Replay Trade. This will create a clean copy of strategy back to the Advanced Calculator module, so we can start modifying whatever we need. And that is how we can use the Trading Journal of the Advanced Calculator. See you in the next video.